Alright, hello guys. So today's the day. I'll be doing the full swap on the R Racing Wilwood BBKs to the ISF. So let's see how it goes. I'll be actually doing it at my friend's house just because he has a more like flatter ground because I have more like a steeper ground, so just trying to be more cautious. But anyways, we'll be doing that today and you'll see the process. This thing is dirty. Oh, that brake dust and all on the calipers. So we got one of the calipers out, which is the front passenger side. All we need to do is remove the rotors, which is like kind of like hard in there, but we're just gonna hammer it out and it should come out. Can't wait to put these on. I'm just so eager to see it. How's it gonna look on the car. We got one caliper in, ready to remove the Wilwood R Racing one, so we're just like gonna bleed it now. But it's looking really good. We got the rotors as well in, so really excited about this. So we got now both calipers in, and it's looking really good. Really like the whole facing of this calipers. The whole Brembo stands out so much better. So the other side of the driver's side, same thing, really clean. Now we're just working on the rear, which should be pretty easy. It's just like we already got the rotors in and we just gotta switch out the calipers. So almost there. Then after that, once it's all done, just gonna bleed it out and should be good. One of the rears on the driver's side done. Looking clean, sharp. Just gotta bleed it out as well. And got the old ones out here. Yes, sir. So a lot of brake dust though. So all the calipers are finally in. The rears are done. We just need to bleed it out. It is currently windy right now and pollen is just being carried everywhere. And that's the reason why I sound kind of like muzzled or something, because I'm actually allergic to pollen. So it kind of sucks, but anyways, I'm just doing my best to really talk and show you guys what's the whole update right now. Check out the fronts. Yeah, really dirty. Pads are still there, so it's like 40 to 50%. So, you know, pretty good. Otherwise, yeah. So this will be for sale. The whole kit will be basically for sale. The rotors, the calipers, the pads, the whole bracket, everything included, you know. And whoever gets it, you know, hopefully they really enjoy it. So it is currently the next day, and these are how it looks on the front. Front calipers are in, looks really good. And these are the rears right here. The front calipers for the Brembo brakes do actually clear the OEM 18-inch FSport wheels. So they're really similar to the Wilwood R Racing calipers that I had. So on that edges, it's really like a tight fitment, but it'll clear. You don't need no spacers. So as you can see, I'm not running any spacers. When trying to mount these FSport 18-inch wheels, you really have to be careful for like mounting it back in, because you don't want to scratch the calipers, and you really have to just really hold it really well in order to, you know, fit the studs and all that. But anyways, yeah, that's how tight the fitment is. It's like, I'd say maybe 3 mil, 2 mil, around there, 2 millimeters distance from the caliper and the actual barrel of the wheel. But yeah, it's really close. The rear has a little bit more clearance, but again, it's really tight as well. You do have to also be careful when mounting the wheels. So again, you don't want to scratch these calipers up. So I didn't really have the chance to really like show you guys the whole installation because the pollen was really killing me and I couldn't really handle that. But it is cold right now. This weather is really bipolar in the East Coast. But anyways, I'm gonna just do a quick drive around and just kind of give you the quick review or input of what I think with the Brembo kits versus the R Racing Wilwood. So the Brembo BBKs brake really well. They do have like a really strong grip, but I did actually notice a slight difference. The R Racing Wilwood ones actually have like a slight better grip because of the rears, I believe. The rears were actually 4-piston versus the Brembos, they are actually 2 pistons. So I did actually notice that small little change because, you know, I've actually had the R Racing Wilwood BBKs for like at least 2 years. So obviously I'm gonna notice the difference because I was like, you know, just used to that more stronger grip. So with these Brembo brakes, they do actually grip really well. I'm not saying they don't. They have a really great grip. It's just that small little, I guess, grip that I'm missing. Otherwise, this Brembo BBKs, they're really good. I can't really complain. I do like the outcome of how the whole paint went. Once I removed the R Racing Wilwood BBKs, they were actually sold the next day. The guy actually wanted it so bad, so I just sold it to him, and they were actually shipped like a few days ago. So really hope he really enjoys the new BBKs for his car. He does have an IS as well. Really nice car and all that. But anyways, really hope the new owner enjoys the new BBKs. Back home. Now, if you guys seen this whole video, you guys probably seen a box just randomly being around my seat or just laying around, just somewhere around the floor while installing the BBKs. But anyways, some good news. I did actually receive my new wheels. You guys don't know how long I've been waiting for these. These were like specially ordered because of the size and the specs. But anyways, these are it. They are raised. I'm not gonna say what they are just yet. Should I show you guys? Yeah, should I show you guys? They are really clean. I really like them a lot. Probably my favorite wheel now. Nah, I'll save it for later. I'll give you guys a hint though. They are 18-inch wheels. So this time I did not go 19s. Usually all my sets were 19s, but I just wanted to go more aggressive like spec. So a reason why I went with an 18-inch wheel, and just want to go more like a meter setup. So yeah, go ahead and comment down below. Comment whatever you guys think it is, what color it is. This color is some other color that I have yet seen in the car personally. I've seen it on one car. It was an M4, which really looked good. Reason why I went with this color scheme. But guess the color, guess the model of the raise it is, and I'll like or heart the comment. Really hope you guys enjoy this video. This video is more like a swap and an update of what I think of the R Racing BBKs versus the Brembo BBKs, and that's pretty much it. But anyways, I did actually show you guys the box of my new wheels, and they have arrived. So the new wheels will be going on to the car sometime soon, next month or so. But I do need to do a couple more things to these wheels before I install them to the car. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.